Hello, today I have a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. I want to check the transmission fluid. The tools you need is 3/8 ratchet and 3/8 long extension. So the transmission plug located under the air filter going here. This one down here, stick this one in and lose it counterclockwise. Stick your hand in and take it off. To check the correct level, your car has to be running at the normal temperature. So all you have to do, you're gonna come down here, you're gonna remove the shield, and under the transmission band right there, you'll see that plug, and also you're gonna lose it counterclockwise. And if it's driven, this means your transmission fluid is good. If it's not driven, you're gonna have to add some transmission fluid from the top until it drips from here. Then you're gonna lock it again. That means your transmission fluid is in correct level. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.